All right.
Tip number 2 is to be truthful and realistic about your goals. So, what do we mean by that? You have to set a goal that you know you can achieve. That's why we mentioned earlier that you have to set a very specific goal if you can. Decrease than increase. So, mas specific siya, mas targeted siya. And realistic. It has to be something that you know you really can achieve. I mean, don't set very epic goal that is going to just set you up for failure, right?
Yeah. In addition to that, that's why it's really good that you said that you have to decrease than increase. Kasi nga, you have to be truthful and realistic about this. Tanggalin mo na yung mga feeling mo okay, unnecessary siya talaga. That is really interesting, Jen. So what do you say to people, Jen, who says na, hey, you have to dream big goals. You have to dream big. Di ba yung mga bata pa tayo, lagi sinasabi sa atin, Jen, dapat malaki yung pangarap mo. Di ba like yung mga, when I grow up, ganun. Pag sinasabi na, when I
Aim
grow up, I
high,
want
reach for the sky.
Yeah. So, what do you say to people, Jen, who says you have to dream big goals? Because we just said that, hey, you have to be truthful and realistic about your goals.
We're not saying that you dream small. I mean, if you can dream big, that's good. Specific goals are more actionable, more realistic. Because if you're going to come up with a goal that is too big, and then you don't have enough time to achieve that, so you're just setting yourself up for failure. That's what we
Yeah.
mean by having realistic, truthful goals.
Yeah, I agree to that, Jen. Like, for example, sa akin, like, yung gumawa ako ng goal setting ko last year, so yung 2020, sinabi ko, kasi may napanood ako sa Netflix or Prime, Amazon, napanood ko yung parang Brittany Runs a Marathon. Yan, that movie. So I was not inspired kasi, di ba, like yung New York Marathon, yun parang number 1 marathon sa buong mundo pala. So na-inspire ako kasi parang she wasn't obese before, tapos naging goal niya talaga na mag-run ng marathon. Tapos at the same time, she lost a lot of weight. So na-inspired din ako. So sabi ko, ako kaya, gusto ko, one day kaya makakaroon ako ng marathon. Parang ganun. Kasi I never did that sa buong life ko. Parang ganun. So I was doing my goal setting. So sabi ko, okay, nilagay-lagay ko, sinusulat ko, run the marathon. Sabi ko gano'n. But then when I reviewed it, sabi ko, no, this is like impossible for me for the next 12 months or next 24 months. Hindi siya pwede for me kasi hindi siya aligned sa goals ko talaga. At this point, hindi pa siya ganun. Siguro, what I could do is to run a 5 to 10K.
Right. So you
what do
just
you call that?
parang
Around 5.
build up on your goals.
Yeah. Exactly. Hanggang sa siguro, maybe who knows yan, di ba? Baka
Right.
mapapulad lang ako, nag-run ako ng marathon, di ba? So, ganun. So,
yeah, I guess that's what you mean, right? Like if you really want to run the New York Marathon, that's okay. I mean, that's a really good goal, but you have to take into account the time that you have to achieve that goal. So maybe if you're planning to run the New York Marathon in 12 months, do you think you will be able to do it?
yeah.
Realistic dapat and truthful. Is it really something that I can do with the amount of time that I've given for this goal?
I really like this, Jen. I really like this tip kasi this tip can make or break your goals, no?
Yeah, it's crucial. Exactly. Yes.
Catch the full episodes of Article and Design podcast. Watch for free only on Article and Design YouTube channel or listen for free on Spotify. Search for Article and Design. If you want to join the discussion, be a member of our community. Search for Article and Design on Facebook groups. See ya!